Assalamu alaikum everyone. I would like to welcoming you all to my Excel tutorial, which I am required to make for an internal evaluation of my coursework, which is comparative business. And now I would like to show you some of the basics theories and formulas, which is frequently used by businessmen and corporate companies to figure out their growth, their development tracks. So as you all know that the mathematical figures and mathematical terms are very useful and easy to calculate the growth and track and the development for a business. So we are starting now. Firstly, we are going to calculate the future value of an amount, and this is some variables like present value, year, rate, and others. So firstly, we have to put the formula of Excel, which is equal to then FB. Firstly, we have to put the rate, which is 5%. Then N per means the duration of year, which is 5, and as we don't have payment, so 0. And then this showed to put a minus sign of this figure, minus, and then the present value we want to put, and we would like to calculate this for the end of the period, so 0 again and bracket close. This is the formula and this is the mathematical figure. So the future value of $30,000 is $38,288.45. So this is the future value about. And in the same, we are going to calculate the present value. So the formula again is equal, then PV. We are required to put the rate first. So rate 8% for this. Then N per means the duration of the year. We don't have payment here also, so 0 again, and then minus the future amount, which we are going to calculate the present value, then closing the bracket. So this is the formula for a present value, and this is the figure. So the present value of $5,000 is to 29,174.52. So this is future value and this is present value. So this is for my first video. We are going to discuss the whole and some of the very basic things for my next video. Thank you.